Look at that big old pile of puppies. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, that's a big boy. That boy's going to Georgia. And this big boy right here, that Brindle boy, this one, he's going to Arizona. And the whiner over there, this big old guy over there, oh, way back here. Oh, yeah, the man with his eyes open. Hi, big guy. He's going to Kansas. Oh, yeah, Kansas. Kansas. That's a big boy. Oh, stop whining. Stop whining. You're going to Kansas. And then, let's see. This girl. Oh, that guy. Look at how he's standing up so proud. This girl right here. This girl's going to Arizona. That's a girl, right? Yeah, it's a girl. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry, baby girl. Yeah, dude, a baby girl. Say hi. Hi, Kim. Hi, I'm a Rosales. Rosales. That's you. Mrs. Rosales. Oh, I know. It's crazy. It's crazy. God, scratch your face. God, try to bite me. You don't have teeth yet? Oh, you're so pretty. You're so smart. Oh, that's a good girl. Here's a good girl. So, yeah, there's the update.